If you have ever scraped your elbow or knee, chances are you have seen blood up close. But what exactly is blood? We know that we have blood, but where does it come from? And what does it do? Hi, I'm Lauren with the Plano Public Library. Today we are going to learn about blood, the components of blood, and how blood helps our bodies work. Sometimes blood may seem gross or icky, but blood has many important jobs in our bodies. Blood delivers oxygen, helps get rid of waste, and helps us fight infections. We will take a closer look at how blood is made by creating our own blood model. Let's get started. Blood acts like a train that carries oxygen and essential vitamins and minerals to locations in our body. Along with carrying good things to our organs, blood also carries carbon dioxide and waste that our bodies no longer need to our lungs, kidneys, and digestive system, where it will be removed. Blood also helps us fight infections when we are not feeling well. As blood circulates through our body, it works to keep us warm. To ensure areas like our brain don't overheat, blood also acts as a cooling mechanism. Blood is made up of 4 components: plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Plasma is a yellow liquid that transports nutrients and proteins throughout our body and carries away waste made by the cells in our bodies. Even though blood is the color red, over half of blood is made of plasma. When we breathe in, red blood cells take oxygen all around our bodies. They also carry carbon dioxide to our lungs, where it leaves our bodies. White blood cells are part of the germ-fighting immune system. They attack invaders like viruses and bacteria to keep our bodies healthy. There are several types of white blood cells, and each type has its own role in attacking different kinds of germs that make us sick. The smallest component of blood are platelets. These tiny cells work like bandages. If a blood vessel is broken, like when you have a scrape or a cut, platelets stick to the break to stop the bleeding and fix the broken blood vessel. Together, we are going to take a closer look at the 4 components of blood and how they work together by making our very own blood model. For this activity, we will use red water beads for our red blood cells, white beans for our white blood cells, lentils for our platelets, and water for our plasma. Let's get started. First, place your empty container on an even surface. Next, using a funnel, pour the red water beads into the container. These are our red blood cells. Next, using the funnel, pour the white beans into the container. These are our white blood cells. Then, using the funnel, pour the lentils into the container. These are our platelets. Now, carefully pour your water into the container. This is our plasma. Now, gently stir your plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets together. Now observe the 4 components of your blood model. As you observe your blood model, what do you notice about the difference in the amount of each component? Do you remember the function of each component? And what other materials can you use to create a larger or smaller blood model? Thank you for joining us today. To find more resources on how our bodies work, check out the Plano Public Library catalog. And for more STEAM connections, check out the Plano Library Learns blog. Goodbye!